Thank you for purchasing JPRO Professional Software. When you buy JPRO, you aren't just getting a scan tool, you are getting a comprehensive diagnostic and repair solution. JPRO is designed and created by OE and ASE certified former technicians, engineers, and other industry experts dedicated to ensuring your shop can fix every truck, every time. Noregon Systems, the vehicle data experts, has been developing customer-focused software solutions and products for the commercial transportation industry for more than 20 years. So, whether you're part of a team of service providers, OEM dealers, a member of a large fleet or small fleet, or an independent repair facility, your shop's success is our business. That's why Noregon Systems is proud to bring you the best business solution in the industry, JPRO Professional. What separates JPRO Professional from other products? 3 critical requirements for successful diagnostics are valuable data, service information, and administrative or management support. Right now, they are available separately, leaving technicians and service providers to piece together valuable information to gain an accurate glimpse of a vehicle. JPRO Professional brings all these requirements together to provide technicians with the most integrated, comprehensive diagnostic and repair solution in the industry. So what does this approach mean in the real world? Let's say, when you are working on a vehicle, you use the information and/or software tool that is most directly related to the indicator dash light that is currently on or active. This means going one by one, diagnosing each part of the truck using the associated OE software. This can waste time and, more importantly, money. To diagnose and repair today's vehicles, you need to see all relevant information at once, not piece by piece. JPRO Professional pulls and displays data from all systems and ECMs on the vehicle in a matter of moments, bringing you a complete snapshot of the entire vehicle. JPRO Professional software is available in multiple platforms to fit your shop's needs. The most all-inclusive full-service option is the JPRO Professional Diagnostic Toolbox, which contains a laptop tested and preloaded with JPRO Professional software, a Noregon DLA 2.0 adapter, the cables required to diagnose all kinds of connections for vehicles classes 3 through 8, all in a convenient travel case for all of your hardware and equipment. When you buy JPRO Professional, you're also buying Noregon support. Noregon has resources available to help you get the most out of your diagnostic and repair solution. If you visit our website, Noregon.com, you will find software downloads, adapter drivers, and product literature. You'll be able to access software support as well as sign up for free JPRO online training. These items and more are accessible from the main menu and the JPRO education portal. But that's not all. Options for support and product information are also available inside the software itself. Just click on the Help button to access the user guide, where you will find a full list of topics we will cover in the following videos. The user guide has information on the basics, such as connecting to the vehicle, to all many features and functionalities available to you through JPRO Professional software. Want to share the wealth? No problem. Inside every copy of JPRO, there is an Adobe file that can be printed, faxed, or emailed. But what if you need new software or hardware, or have an issue and want to talk to someone? You're in luck. Under the same Help button, you'll see Support. Noregon Systems offers a staff of both sales and help desk support, all to help you. We've provided the numbers for you here on the screen. Up next, we will do a step-by-step, feature-by-feature look at JPRO Professional and all of its features. On behalf of Noregon Systems, thank you for becoming a JPRO Professional. Remember, all this information is available in the JPRO User Guide. For more information or to purchase JPRO, please call our support team or visit us online.